Hey Cachers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Today I'm going to be doing a really cool virtual here in South Carolina called Sheldon Ruins. Just another great place that geocaching takes you, and I love these virtuals. Just so much history here that you would not find if you weren't geocaching, or if you were geocaching you'd find out from old timers that have been around the area. But let me give you a little bit of history about the Sheldon Ruins, and this is right from the cache page. It says, it is the Church of Prince William Parish, known as Sheldon. It was built in 1745 to 1755, burned by the British Army in 1779. Then rebuilt in 1826, burned once again by the Federal Army, Sherman, in 1865. So this church and these ruins have been here for quite a while, and it's just really cool just going around seeing this. The old tombstones, just the ruins, and just seeing all the little things that are in this area. Now, just another example of a great cache, and wouldn't even know that this place even existed unless we were geocaching. And I also found this in a book called 201 Geocaches That You Must Do Before You Die. It's written by Gary Slinkard, who is the host of Geocache Talk. And I recommend checking out that book. I got a link down below where you can get it. Now, hope you guys enjoyed this, a really quick virtual cache today. But just as we're getting ready to travel and getting to Memphis, we're doing some other caches. Hopefully soon I will be getting back with the cache owners and meeting them. Now, if this is the first time you've ever seen Behind the Cache, click that subscribe button, hit that like, and just leave me a comment down below. And I will see you over here at one of these other videos. And just watch one of these other videos, and I'll catch you later. All right, guys. Bye.